Hello everyone and welcome to my Odoo Tech. In today's video I will show you how to create and manage a product directly through the point of sale module in Odoo 18. This process is straightforward, efficient and simplify managing your store. Let's think. First off, I will open a point of sale module. To get started, open the point of sale module in Odoo. On the right hand side your screen, you will notice a 3-line menu icon, also called the hamburger menu, and click icon access the available option. Okay, now I will add a new product. After opening the menu, select the option to create a new product. A pop-up window will appear, allowing you to input the required detail about the product. Here is what you need to add. First off, a product name. So first off, I will upload one product. It is called naan thai. Okay, so enter the full name of your product in product name. Product image, upload an image to make it easily recognizable, and barcode if the product has barcode input here. Sales price, specify the price at which you will sell the product. So I will write 100 rupees. Here tax information, include any applicable tax rates. So I will write here 100 rupees. So 105% tax is 105. Then after here, point of sale category. Assign the product to the appropriate category for better organization, such as bread, pastry. So I will add in pastry. So here to select pastry. Okay. So right now, first I will check if this product is already available or not. So here to discard and check in pastry category. Here not available the product, so I will click on hamburger menu. Then after create a product, here to write a product name. Okay, by 100 rupees. Product category pastry, product image. Okay, once all the required information is entered, click on the save button to successfully create the product. Okay, now visible here naan thai. To make the point of sale system more efficient, ensure that all products are assigned to their respective category. This is categorization allow for quick selection during checkout and make your workflow smooth. If there is ever a need, update the product detail, such as a price increase or additional information. Locate the product within the point of sale system. On the right hand side of the product image, here you will see information button, that means I button, and here already help in pop-up product information. Okay, click on this button and then select the edit option. Okay, here to change name, photos, etc. You can now make a necessary changes. So I will here change the price 150 rupees. Okay, such as updating the price or product description. Here add a barcode. Okay, after making your edits, click on the save button. Ensure the update information. So I will click here, and now visible 157 rupees because I have 5% tax, and our product price is 150 rupees. Okay. By following this simple step, you can easily create and update product using the point of sale module in Odoo 18. If you found the video helpful, please make sure to like, share and subscribe to my Odoo Tech. For more detailed tutorial and helpful tips, also click the bell icon so you never miss an update from our channel. Thank you for watching, and I look forward seeing you in next video.